Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
I will show a simple method to reduce right-hand dominance in your swing. This approach keeps technique simple and repeats focused movements for faster results. Start by recognizing that an overactive right hand causes pulls, hooks, and inconsistent distance. You will change grip pressure to a 4 out of 10 on your right hand and hold left hand at 6 out of 10. Use slow motion reps to reprogram timing and a taped glove or towel as a practice aid. Grip with left hand dominant and set right hand pressure to 4 out of 10. Place a short towel under your right armpit to maintain connection through the swing. Make 10 slow motion swings per set, pausing at the top for 1 second to feel left lead. Progress to 8 to 12 sets per session and rest 1 minute between sets for recovery. Use 50 reps daily for 2 weeks to establish muscle memory and monitor ball flight changes. Start on the course with 3 warm-up swings using slow tempo and left lead. Use a shorter club like a 7-iron and focus on tempo at 75% speed. Keep right wrist quiet through impact by imagining the club head following your left forearm. After each round, track your misdirection and distance change to measure improvement. Be patient. Expect steady progress over 2 to 6 weeks with consistent practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.